Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic Events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Price prediction. SXP price today is $0.650350 with a 24-hour trading volume of $3.36 billion, market cap of $363.47 million, and market dominance of 0.03%. The SXP price increased 36.89% in the last 24 hours. SXP price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from March 31, 2023 at 23:41, the general SXP price prediction sentiment is bullish, with 24 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 4 signaling bearish signals. SXP price prediction was last updated on March 31, 2023 at 23:41. SXP key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $0.494387, SXP has support levels of $0.425362, $0.386295, and the strongest at $0.317270. Similarly, SXP resistance levels are at $0.533454, $0.602478, and $0.641545. SXP reached its highest price on May 3, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $5.92, while SXP's lowest price was recorded on March 18, 2020 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.161272. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.196674, cycle low. The highest SXP price since the last cycle low was $0.678496, cycle high. The SXP price prediction sentiment is currently bullish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 63, greed. SXP's current circulating supply is 558.88 MSXP out of max supply of 525.12 MSXP. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 187.24%, meaning 364.31 MSXP were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, SXP is currently ranked number 23 in the DeFi coin sector and ranked number 51 in the Ethereum ERC20 tokens sector. SXP is currently trading above the 200-day simple moving average (SMA). The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 3 days, since March 28, 2023. The price of SXP is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 3 days, since March 28, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 22 days ago, on March 9, 2023. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on March 6, 2023, which was 25 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, SXP's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $0.333137 by April 30, 2023. SXP's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $0.457038 by April 30, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 73.46, which indicates that the SXP market is in an overbought position. The RSI indicator suggests that the price of SXP will increase. According to our current SXP price prediction, the value of SXP is predicted to drop by -15.14% and reach $0.552002 by April 5, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 63, greed. SXP recorded 13/30ths, 43%, green days with 16.15% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our SXP forecast, it's now a good time to buy SXP. Comparing SXP against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the SXP price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the SXP price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, SXP price prediction for year 2026 is $10.58 if it follows Facebook growth. In case SXP would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $1.213145. News. Saying goodbye to the legacy block explorer. Say hello to SolarScan, the latest addition to the Solar ecosystem. The Solar Network mainnet was initially launched using open-source tools like a legacy block explorer and desktop wallet that were created by Arc Ecosystem. We're grateful to our upstream colleagues for these public contributions that allowed us to grow this far. However, many hard-coded features proved difficult to adapt to the new and improved Solar core code base, which has been rapidly evolving since its inception. A redesigned wallet is planned for introduction later this year alongside Solar Core 5.0. But today, a brand new Explorer takes the stage as we say goodbye to the legacy Explorer. Hello, SolarScan. It is important to note that SolarScan is not affiliated with, nor endorsed by, the Solar Blockchain Foundation. SolarScan is a brand new block explorer that is designed from the ground up to seamlessly integrate with Solar Core 5.0 later this year. This lets users easily track transactions, view the latest blocks, and monitor network health in real time. SolarScan is set to be updated in tandem with Solar Core 5.0 as it becomes more feature complete, ensuring that you always have the latest and greatest features. Experience the latest enhancements with SolarScan. SolarScan is built to revolutionize your experience with the Solar Network blockchain by offering exciting new enhancements and features. The wallet pages are personalized and provide a dynamic, immersive view of the mainnet and testnet blockchain. Real-time data is dynamically loaded and visible on every page, giving you immediate updates on your transactions and other important network activity. SolarScan has also adopted the terminology from SolarCore, making it easier to navigate and understand. With these powerful updates, SolarScan is the ultimate tool for exploring the Solar blockchain like never before. A word from the SolarScan developer, Alessiot. SolarScan marks the first milestone on the path to Solar Core 5.0. With native support for fungible and non-fungible tokens and assets, real-time updates via Core's WebSocket API layer and its lightning-fast SQLite 3 database, it gives users a small glimpse into what Core 5.0 will bring later this year. What you see now is just the beginning, as SolarScan is a living website that will be constantly updated with more features and services over time. It was rigorously tested by an army of 21 block producers who all provided useful feedback and ideas which will be taken on board for future updates. Every single block producer positively responded that they prefer SolarScan over the old legacy Explorer, and I hope you will too. I'd like to personally thank those 21 block producers for their time, effort, and help to test the product that the rest of the world gets to see today. SolarScan has an innovative, easy-to-use graphical interface which presents the information you need in a logical and enticing way. It automatically updates this information on every page you visit, while allowing you to select when to update lists of blocks and transactions when you are searching through them. The experience of using this Explorer is both intuitive and satisfying whether you are just getting started in the blockchain space or have been around for a longer time. Block Producer BFX. SolarScan is an immense improvement over the previous Block Explorer, and not just from a user experience perspective, the code itself is built extremely well. It is lean, clean, and set up with security, privacy, and resiliency at its core. This Explorer is what Solar needs as it gets ready to take on the large third-generation blockchains of 2023 with the launch of Solar Core 5.0 later this year. Block Producer FNUFNU. What stood out to me most was the snappy and real-time speed of everything, all relevant information updates without reloading the page. And of course the custom graphical elements that can be added by block producers such as avatars and banners. Block producer Kimchi. Multiple languages supported. SolarScan is multilingual and is initially available in English, Italian, and Vietnamese. If you would like to translate SolarScan in your own language, please feel free to reach out in the community. Discontinuing the Legacy Explorer. With the arrival of SolarScan, the Legacy Explorer, previously managed by the Solar Blockchain Foundation, will be retired with immediate effect. Users will be redirected to SolarScan to view blockchain data. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.